are nearing the end of day 2 for the salmon fishing. Momush! No, it's my... Salmon! 10 feet in front of her, salmon were fishing. Okay. So the guide was over here and I was on the other side of where he is, and we were all casting into the center point where the salmon were jumping, and they were jumping pretty good. They were like a good 3 feet out of the water, and we still haven't caught them, but he has a periscope thing where he could see into the water, and 10 fish floating around in there. It's the most fish we've seen all weekend. And I also lost my fly, but she got it back. Let's get back at her. So I didn't do much filming of the fishing trip because there wasn't much time. But all in all, it was a great fishing trip. And now we're trying to find our way out. But yeah, it was a great fishing trip. The guide was excellent. The thoughts?
Yeah, it was really nice. So first time fly fishing for me, and it was really cool to learn something that my dad loves to do. But yeah, we were saying that next time we come, we probably like want to do like at least 1 day of canoe or 1 overnight canoe camping trip on the river. Which looks awesome, so we
saw some
like one of my dad's trip here next year.
We saw some people canoe camping along the way, and some of them were a little bit too close to the shoreline, or to the water line, sorry, to be considered safe in my opinion, just in case, you know, something happens, rain, water comes down. But no, we all live and learn. It was to get, for me, I've fly fished before, but it was to get the pattern down again. I haven't done it in years. So, but you picked it up pretty good. So,
Well, it wasn't perfect, but yeah.
We didn't catch anything, but like I said earlier, we happened to see